Honorable Chief Minister Dr. Pramod Sawant, I am Vivek Norman, Managing Director of Netch Technologies. I, on behalf of the Netch family and all of my colleagues out here in Verna, bring greetings to you on this beautiful and blessed birthday of yours. We wish you good health, wisdom, and all the intelligence that is necessary as you take on and lead in public service in the state of Goa. Leadership, they say, is the ability to translate vision to reality. And we have seen and lived and experienced the level of reality that you have brought about in the transformation in Goa in your tenure as a Chief Minister. We have seen development of the Goan infrastructure go leaps and bounds and also in quality. We've experienced the comfort of going through the airports, the roads and fabulous bridges which has brought connectivity to our workplace and to our homes to a great extent. Your approach has been one of inclusive growth, taking society and industry hand in hand. A man with a hard head and a soft heart, making firm decisions, carrying empathy of people. We once again wish you all blessings on this birthday, and we look forward that your leadership will continue to guide inclusive and sustainable growth for the industry and people of Goa. God bless you and have a happy birthday today.